Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here from TechFit360. Now, if you're having trouble maintaining a stable Wi-Fi connection with your home devices and you find yourself resetting your router constantly, it may be time for a new router. Now, my problem is I'm trying to figure out which budget Wi-Fi router I should go with. Now, in this corner, I have the Speedefy KX450, and over here, I have the TP-Link Archer AX21. Now, both are similar in price and similar in features, including Wi-Fi6. Now, I guess what we need to do is have a Wi-Fi router showdown. Yeah, that's it. Hey, so fasten your seatbelts, everybody, because your road to being tech fit starts in
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so again, this is the Speedefy KX450 Wi-Fi router. A special thank you to my friends over at Speedefy for sending this router out to me. Now, I did a review at the end of 2020 on their K7 model. You can click the link above if you want and check it out. It's an awesome budget-friendly Wi-Fi router as well. Okay, so now let's check out the package contents. First, we have our quick start guide, a reminder to register your device card, a white Ethernet cable, and here is the Speedefy router all dressed in black with the company logo right in the center. Now, this is a dual band router. It's very lightweight. It has 4 external antennas. Located on the rear, you will find the WAN and LAN ports, which we will take a closer look at in just a second. Now, you can either sit this on a table, a desk, or wall mount the router. And last but not least is the power adapter. Now just remember, you can have the coolest looking router on the planet, but if you ain't got no juice, then guess what? It just becomes decoration in your house. All right, everybody, now taking a little closer look at the rear of the router from left to right is the power port. There's a reset pinhole, which will erase all the settings on your router, a WPS button, which stands for Wi-Fi protected setup. You have a blue WAN gigabit port along with 4 yellow gigabit ports. Okay, for those of you who are not super comfortable with setting up a Wi-Fi router, don't worry because this router is real easy to set up. But there are some things you need to do first, like remove your old router, reset your modem, connect your modem to the blue WAN port on the Speedefy router. Now, if you have a switch, connect it to one of the 4 gigabit ports and then power it up. Now you're ready to configure it. There are 2 methods you can follow to configure the router. Method 1, open up a web browser and in the URL, type the IP address of the router and then follow the quick setup wizard. Or method 2, download the Speedefy app from the App Store or Google Play, connect to the default SSID. Now, after launching the app, your connection will automatically be detected. Just follow the prompts to connect to the internet. So, how do these 2 budget routers fare when competing against each other in the 3 same areas? Well, let's see. Round 1. I have my iPhone pretty much on top of the Wi-Fi routers for this test. I'm using the Speed Test app. My internet speed is 300 down and 30 up. Here we go. Whoa, this round goes to Speedefy. TP-Link just couldn't catch up, but it was very close. All right, so round 2. Now, I always have the worst Wi-Fi signal for some reason in this room, and it's only around 50 feet from the router. So let's go. Whoa, not bad at all. TP-Link dominated this round and it wiped the grin right off Speedefy's face. Now for round number 3, tiebreaker. Will it go to Speedefy or will TP-Link shock the crowd? Here we go. Well, we have a winner. TP-Link won this battle, but Speedefy promises to return and redeem itself. All the tests were fairly close, but we all know on any given day, these speed tests will change. So right now I'm at the Speedefy dashboard in my browser, but you can also manage this router through the Speedefy App. I love how everything is so well organized, and even if you're new to Wi-Fi routers, you will not have an issue here. You can make adjustments to the Wi-Fi settings, set up a guest network, and control how long you want it enabled. There are also parental controls you can configure, as well as advanced and system settings. You can even check and update the router firmware right here. Time for TechFit360's final thoughts. Now, as far as budget routers go, Speedefy is changing the game and giving us not only more selections, but better ones at amazing prices. This router has Wi-Fi6 technology, a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, supports up to 40 devices, and it's very easy to set up and manage. This Wi-Fi router sells for $79.99. That's $10 cheaper than the TP-Link Archer featured in today's video. Plus, I have a discount code that's going to save you an additional 10%. Plus, right now on Amazon, there's a 5% coupon, so this router will cost you around $67.99 plus tax. I'll leave all the info in my description. Thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing to the channel, click the notification bell, and continue to smash that like button. I've had several subscribers tell me that they are no longer being notified when I upload new videos, so please make sure notifications are turned on. Thank you again, and I will see you in my very next video.